Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will see about counting journal. So let's understand the scenario first. So let us assume there is a warehouse worker. Let us say the warehouse worker name is W1, and he goes to warehouse and he pick a certain product. Let's say a product name is D365 product. Okay, and he counted this particular product quantity. And assume in system the quantity available was near about 100. But he found that the actual quantities is not 100, it is 105. So that's why we will need to do correction into our system, right? Instead of 100, we have 105 product, and there could be vice versa scenario as well. Like instead of 105, let us say we only have actually 98 available at our location stock. Okay, so there might be a theft damage, or there could be a number of reasons if the inventory of a particular product has increased or decreased. So we are going to post this counting journal. Okay, so now we have understood the scenario that a worker physically goes, he counts the number of items and then he updates in system accordingly. So how we can do this entry in our system? So for that, you will go to inventory management, and here you will go to general entries. There's something called item counting, and click on this counting, and now click on new. Okay. And now here, like, it is important, I would say, settings or setup. For example, let me click OK directly. Okay, and here if you see, currently you don't have any information field here. Like, so what I mean to say, when you click here new, you can select these options. So for example, you're interested in warehouse, inventory status, batch number, serial number, owner, location, okay, which worker is counting, all this information. So you can, while creating your counting journal, you can specify that. Okay, so now let us see the product that we are going to use. So we'll use this product, our D365 product, the one which we are using in our these demo videos. So click apply here. So I will pick this site number 2 and warehouse number 21. So here if you see, the physical quantities is 13, but assume instead of 13, first of all I will say these are not 13, these are actually 15. Okay, so I will go here, and now I will go to my header section first. Okay, there is nothing important, so I'll click on new. Here I will select my product. I will say D365 product. Here I need to specify my site and warehouse. So my site is 2 and my warehouse is 21. I will click OK, and here if you see, automatically it is giving you the on hand, like the physical available. Okay, but here I will say, like when I counted, these are not actually 13, these are 15 quantities. Okay, then here you will get how many quantities were increased and decreased. If in case if it would have been 10, so you might have get -3 here. So if you'll see here, so it will get -3 here. So when I counted this item, I find out that instead of 13, the total available are 15. Then I will select here worker, which worker. So I will say Sarah Thomas did the counting. Okay, and he find out that instead of 12, we have 15 available. Here you will get all the information related to your dimension. If in case you have selected all those other options, okay, like the inventory status, location, batch number, serial number, and creating, so you might have got that here. Okay, now what I can do, I can simply validate it first. I will say validate it. Okay, so it is looking okay. Now it is ready for my posting. So you see, currently it is 13. Now when I will post it, it will change to 15. Okay, now this journal is posted now. and I will refresh my page. So we'll say now I'll get this has actually 15 quantities are physically available. Okay, now let us say we again did counting. Okay, this time what I will do, I will click on this warehouse as well. I want to show you how it is useful. When you click OK here, and now when you will go to your line, let me click on new. I will say here D365 product. I will say warehouse 2, and I will specify my warehouse. It is 21. Okay, now you see when I entered this, then only it is visible. So now I counted, the actual quantity is 10. Here I can say this time this user Luke, he have done counting, and I will validate, and then I will post this journal. And now when I posted this journal, then our inventory should reduce to 10. So this is how you can use counting journal in your financial operation. Thank you for watching this video.